Hello everybody, my name is Aygul Jarasovna and welcome to my video classroom. Let's get started. First of all, let's play the game. The game is very simple and it's called What Is It? All you have to do is to look at the photos, write down your answers. You will need a pen and a piece of paper, and you'll be able to check your answers. To play this game, you can follow this link learningenglishteens.britishcouncil.org. Let's follow the link. It's going to take a couple seconds. Here we are. And there is this section which is called Study Break. And there is a subsection, What is it? If you open this subsection on British Council website, you can find lots of fragments of the photos, and you can guess what the photos are and write down your answers. Also, you can write down your answers using commands. So, are you ready? Let's get started. The first photo. Try to make a guess. What is it? I'll give you a couple seconds to write down your answer, or you can send your answer to your teacher using WhatsApp, for example. So how do you think? What is it? And it's a chocolate chip cookie. Yummy, isn't it? I'm hungry. What about you? The question number 2. Look closely. What do you think this is? This photo is pretty tricky. Take your time, write down your answer. And it's a packet of crackers. That was a difficult one. The photo number 3. Who can guess what this one is? You can write down your answer. And it's a crisp falling out of a packet of crisps. If all your answers are correct, well done. But if you've got some mistakes, that's okay. And according to these 3 photos, crackers, cookies, and crisps, today we're talking about snacks. And the theme of our video lesson is snacks. And the aims for these video lessons are: read the text and understand some details and specific information from the text, and also you will make a poster with your own ideas on snack culture. So, how can you get the text? Your teacher will send you the link with the text, so you can follow the link and read the text from British Council site. So there is a text which is called Snack Culture. Or you can find the text in the worksheet number 1 the teacher will send you as well. While reading, use worksheet number 1 to complete the tasks. There are 4 tasks, and stop the video while reading. Before we start, let's figure out, what does snack mean? According to Cambridge Dictionary, snack means a small amount of food that is eaten between meals or a very small meal. For example, I had a huge lunch, so I will only need a snack for dinner. Or fresh fruit makes an ideal snack. So, as it was mentioned before, crackers, crisps, cookies, nuts, fruits can be called as snacks. And there is task number 1 in your worksheet. Before reading the text, answer true/false questions. The first question: there are crisps with bacon, cheese, and tomato flavor, but there are also crisps with squirrel flavor. How do you think? Is it true or false? Write down your answer using your worksheet. Task number 1, question number 1. Question number 2. Cookies are favorite snacks in the UK. How do you think? Is it true or false? Write down your answer. Question number 3. All schools in the UK have machines that sell snacks. Is it true or false? Now, pause the video, read the text, and check your true/false answers. When you have read the text, I'd like you to read the text one more time, but this time pay attention to highlighted words. In your worksheet, you will find the text with highlighted words. If you don't know the word, make sure to find out the meaning of the word. Now pause the video, read the text, and pay attention to the highlighted words. Now, when you have worked with a new vocabulary, there is a task number 2. You have to match the words with the definitions. There are words such as flavor, a chocolate bar, a snack, savory, advertising, a vending machine, and there are 6 definitions. Do matching. So you can pause the video, match the words with the definitions. There is a task number 3. Now, when you know something about British culture of snacks, you can answer these 6 questions. You can pause the video and answer these 6 questions from the screen, or you can use your worksheet, task number 3. Now we know some facts about snack culture in Britain, and it's time to make a poster about advantages and disadvantages of snacks. You can work in groups of 3 or 4 students. You can use mobile messenger like WhatsApp to communicate. You can draw your poster or make it on your computer. And you also can send the photo of your poster, or you can load the file with poster to a teacher. It's up to you. And pay attention to these questions. They can help you to make a poster. What are the advantages of snacks? What are the disadvantages of snacks? Use short and simple sentences. Use some words and phrases from the text. So text can help you making poster. And there are assessment criteria, content, and design. And according to this marking scheme, you can get 3 points for content if your poster has many details about the topic and you used words from the text to show your ideas. You can get 2 points for your content if your poster has few words from the text and few details about the topic. And you can get 1 point in case your work is not about the topic and has no words from the text to cover your ideas. And also you can get 3 points for design and pictures if your poster has many pictures that make it interesting. You can get 2 points for design if your poster has too many or too few pictures, and 1 point for design if your poster has no pictures at all. So pay attention to this marking scheme. According to this scheme, you can get 6 maximum points for your poster, 3 points for content, and 3 points for design. Pay attention to this marking scheme. If you need to, you can pause the video. And I wish you good luck with your poster. There is a checklist for our video lesson. Answer true-false questions before reading. Task number 1. Read the text and pay attention to the highlighted words. After that, do matching the words with definition. Task number 2. And after that, you can read the text and answer the questions and make notes. Task number 3. And the last task number 4. Make a poster with your classmates. And finally, send your worksheet or photo of your worksheet with completed tasks number 1, 2, 3 and your poster to your teacher using any possible ways such as Kundelik, WhatsApp or Google Classroom, and get feedback from your teacher. I hope you liked my video lesson. Thank you for watching, and it's time to say goodbye.